Think about the last time you were outdoors. What variety of plants did you see? Did you notice any gardens full of fruit and vegetable plants, or interesting landscaping? If you saw any of these, you have seen a glimpse of horticulture. The term horticulture literally means the culture of a garden. As a general term, horticulture covers all forms of garden management. Although all forms of cultivation have very close links to horticulture, it falls somewhere in between domestic gardening and field agriculture. Horticulture is a means of food production using very rudimentary tools and without permanently cultivated fields. Horticulture includes the production and use of plants for food, comfort and beautification. This includes everything from fruits and vegetables to ornamental plants to spices. Anyone who works in any kind of garden is contributing to horticulture. Most horticultural societies use nothing more than sticks and garden trowels. Things like plows, tractors or harvesters usually aren't part of a horticulturist's tool inventory. What does a horticulturist do? I'm guessing most of us don't spend much of our energy thinking about where our food comes from. When I go to the supermarket, I pick up some fruits and veggies from the aisle, and I'm on my way. Hardly ever do I find myself wondering who planted them. The ease of getting produce is just normal to almost everyone. However, across our globe, this is not always the case. Many societies still find themselves living directly off the land, working daily to produce their own food. The specialization of the horticulturist and the success of crops are influenced by various factors like climate, soil type, irrigation, field topography and the type of crops selected. These crops help sustain and enrich our lives by providing nutritious food, enhancing the beauty of our homes and communities. They also play a vital role in reducing our carbon footprint and restoring balance in the environment. Horticulture greenhouse. Horticulturists cultivate intensively produced plants for food and ornamental purpose by leveraging their knowledge and skills. The holy grail of horticulturists is to boost plant propagation, quality, nutritional value, yields and resistance to pests, diseases and unpredictable environmental factors. Horticulture also includes plant maintenance, soil management, landscape renovation, landscape and garden design and maintenance. Unlike agriculture, horticulture does not deal with any form of large-scale crop production or livestock farming. Benefits of horticulture. We cherish the sight of lush green grass, vibrant flowers and the aromatic perfumes of fragrant shrubs. But did you know their real value is much more substantial than pleasing aesthetics and aromas? That's right, well-maintained landscapes offer tremendous benefits for people and for the environment. Let's explore some of the little understood, but vitally significant, benefits of landscapes. Horticulture plants act as natural coolants. Plants are much cooler than asphalt or concrete and it functions as a natural air conditioner for the surroundings. Your backyard can be 30 degrees cooler than asphalt and 20 degrees cooler than plain soil. Horticulture plants purify the environment. Plants plays a crucial role in purifying the environment by capturing dust, tiny smoke particles and other pollutants. They also absorb excess runoff by rainfall and stop water stagnation. Additionally, horticulture plants absorb carbon dioxide and convert it into oxygen. Horticulture plants reduce noise. Grass and plants dramatically reduce noise levels by up to 30% as compared to hard surfaces like asphalt. But wait, there's more to it than just environmental benefits. Health benefits of horticulture. Studies have shown that just looking at plants can reduce stress, lower blood pressure and enhance quality of life. Walking through nature with plants and trees, although located in the middle of a crowded city, has been shown to improve attention and memory. Horticulture garden. Did you know each species of horticulture plants has different care needs? Some of them are much more likely to grow well for you than others depending on your environmental factors. Get help, identify your horticulture plants and see which ones will grow well for you.